In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off and delete Gemini AI activity. If you've been using Gemini for a while, it likely saves your prompts and responses to improve suggestions and personalize your experience. That can be helpful, but you might prefer more privacy or simply want a clean slate. I'll walk you through how to open your Gemini account, find the right setting, and turn off and delete your activity in one smooth move. Start by opening your Gemini account and signing in. This can be in the mobile app or on the web. Either works. Once you're on the main Gemini screen, look for Settings. Depending on your device, you'll usually find it behind your profile icon or a gear icon in the top corner. Tap or click Settings to open the controls for your account. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Activity. This is where Gemini keeps your interaction history and the controls for whether that history is saved. Go ahead and open Activity. You'll see that activity saving is currently set to On. Next to that On label, there's a small arrow or drop-down. Click that arrow to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, choose Turn Off and Delete Activity. This single choice does two things at once. It turns off future saving, so new chats won't be stored, and it deletes the activity that's already been saved. At this point, you may see a confirmation prompt explaining what will be removed and what turning activity off means for your experience. Read it carefully. Deleting activity removes previously saved interactions and can't be undone, and turning activity off can reduce personalization and make it harder to pick up where you left off. If you're comfortable with that, confirm the choice to proceed. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and then your settings will reflect that activity is off and your past activity has been deleted. That's it. Your Gemini activity is now deleted and the system won't save new activity going forward. If you ever change your mind later, you can come back to this same activity area and turn it back on. Just remember that turning it back on won't restore what was deleted. It only starts saving new interactions again. A quick tip. If you don't see the activity option in settings, make sure your app is up to date or try the web version. Also, give the page a moment to refresh after you confirm the change so the new status appears correctly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your Gemini activity with confidence.